I wake up in the morning going, where's the problem? Where's the problem? But I go looking for problems because the more problems I solve, the more money I make. You know what? I'm not going to do my business like everyone else does it. Everyone else was just, they get a lead after they get the initial contact and information and all that kind of stuff. Everyone does that pretty much the same. Then they say, you know what? We're going to line up some tours. All right, let's go do 4 or 5 tours. I'll meet you over there. Woo, let's go driving. Let's go look at the building. There's the walls, man. There's the doors, all beautiful curtains and carpet. Oh, that's wonderful. Did you like it? Did you want to go here? Oh, like, man, I can't say I didn't do any of that stuff. I did some tours, but I did some things a little bit different. No one was negotiating for the clients. Again, sounds very counterintuitive, right? Why would I want to negotiate for my clients if that brings down the price, helps them, but I make a percentage off that price, so my level of income goes down?